So my name is Frank Cullen, and I own Cullen Construction. Started the business in about 2002. Originally I'm from Boston, just outside Boston. Came out west in about 1994, moved to Santa Fe, New Mexico, and started building there. Started doing some outlaw straw bale houses, getting into the green building scene, and really just fell in love with the process. So originally the owner, Diana Wold, approached a couple contractors in the area that had experience with green building and a couple architects. And really what her goal with this ranch was to approach it in a holistic way for the design. You can imagine how much energy gets consumed by a ranch of this size. So they wanted to design something that was going to be just more efficient, more sustainable, and so that they would be good stewards of the land. In both the stables and the houses, we ended up using a lot of green finish materials and that had recycled content. The rubber flooring in the stalls, which helps with the horses, make sure that they have soft footing. Really, the big things here were water conservation. We did a lot of rainwater catchment, passive solar. So having tools like Festools really helped us to be able to, when we had a big project that needed to be done quickly, you know, things like the Rotex sanders on some of these big exposed trusses that were all built on site. You know, that was one of the tools that really helped us just to stay efficient, make sure that we were, you know, getting these things done and it looked good in the end. The main house is a pre-contemporary design, and so there were some baseboard details, there were some trim details that had to be super clean, just really lines that were unforgiving. And so having the ability to use things like the track saw to be able to make those cuts, to be able to make miters and just make it all work out really well was super helpful. What I look for in people when I'm bringing on subcontractors or employees, one of the things I look for is the tools that they show up in at the back of their truck. When they show up with Festools, I know that they're committed to what they do. I know that they've made an investment in their trade, in their craftsmen, and that's really important to me. I would say I invest in Festool because the precision and accuracy of the tools ensure that I'm going to maintain my reputation of doing quality work in an efficient manner that's ultimately going to lead to a happy client.